Have you ever reached for your favorite wine glass or whiskey tumbler only to watch it slip and shatter into 1,000 pieces? We've all felt that sting, but it never has to happen again. Welcome to BistroToRestro. Here are the pro glass saving hacks that will keep your barware safe for years. Start by choosing tougher glass. Borosilicate or fully tempered pieces resist heat and impact far better than regular glass. For pool parties or busy nights, premium acrylic or polycarbonate looks like real crystal but simply won't break. Handle every glass with care. Always hold stemmed glasses by the stem or base, never the bowl, because hand heat plus pressure causes cracks. Lift tumblers from the bottom. Clean only with soft microfiber cloths. Abrasive sponges scratch and weaken the surface. Storage is critical. Hang stemmed glasses on a dedicated rack so rims never touch anything. Store stemless upright with plenty of space. Line shelves with non-slip mats, and add felt dividers to stop clinking. Only stack if you place a soft cloth or paper towel between each one. Avoid temperature shock. Never pour hot liquid into a cold glass, or put warm glassware straight in the freezer. Gradual changes only. Keep glasses out of direct sunlight. When moving them, use padded sleeves or trays. Store your most delicate pieces in a lined drawer away from daily chaos. Finally, inspect regularly and run your finger around rims and bases for hairline cracks or chips. Spot damage early and replace the glass before it shatters in someone's hand. These easy habits will end broken barware forever and save you serious money. Ready for a break-proof bar? Visit BistroToRestro.com to shop premium barware, cocktail shakers, party supplies, and more at the best prices. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for daily tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.